guys, ito na ang requirements kung paano mag-apply ng visitor visa. Ito ang requirements ng taong mag-iimbita sa inyo. Copy ng citizenship or permanent resident card, proof of assets or bank statement, employment certificate, summary or T4, copy of Manitoba health card, at invitation letter. Ito naman ang kailangan ng applicant. Siyempre, kailangan may passport ka. Bank statement for at least 6 months showing transactions, employment or job certificate or business permit, proof of house land or ownership, at additional pictures of family or kung may pets ka, ilagay mo na rin. At syempre, kailangan mo din ng letter of intent. Kung kamag-anak ka mag-i-invite, kailangan ng proof na magpapatunay kung paano kayo naging magkamag-anak. Like halimbawa, kapatid mo, need nyo pareho ng PSA birth certificate at kung babae ka at kasal ka, need mo ng marriage contract. Kuha mo, keep the faith and God bless.